Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Welcome back, man. Good day. It's about to be a great day. You feel?
We do not care.
But we about to get that straight pipe today with the black exhaust tips. Feel me? But I had ordered the air intake, so it should come tomorrow. So I'm gonna make probably a separate video, or it's gonna be together. You feel me? But about to head to the muffler shop right now. Get y'all before and after. Feel me? Get y'all a cold start. So it sound loud though. I'm gonna give y'all a couple pulls to see y'all can hear a difference between a mid muffler and a straight pipe. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we on the road. I gotta talk to y'all real quick. Tomorrow I'm going to a car meet in Raleigh, and me and the guys, we about to pull up, ride together. You know what I'm saying? Up there. I might record it that day too. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a couple pulls. Yeah, man, you feel me?
What?
It sounds good. Yeah, man. I feel like it's gonna be a little louder, you feel me? I don't hear no rattling or nothing, but I bet that shit gonna be loud for real. Oh, and we getting the black exhaust tips too, so it's gonna be a kind of a new look. But tune coming soon. I really want to cam it, change the cam shot. And the throttle body, I want to change that. Cause you can feel a big difference if you change the throttle body. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the muffler shop. Let me get one more pull for y'all. Put it in the sport. I wasn't even on the gas too. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back. Oh, he taking it back there. Feel me? Yes, sir. Hopefully y'all can hear me, man. I appreciate it. The 40 subscribers, man. We going up. Try to get me to 50, man. We going up for real. Getting them shits right. I can't even see him.
That's about to ram it.
That's deep. Nah, you definitely can. You definitely can. I gotta record this. Come on. Yeah, bro, that. Don't hit me now. About to take around the block.
You can really tell the big difference, bro.
Nah, for real. Where we at with it? Oh, yeah. And you got me on it straight back to my eyes. I ain't gonna lie. See, we got Aaron's with it.
Hey, shout out to Aaron, man. Shout out to the nigga, man, for real. Bro, let me go pay for this shit, man.
Grab it real quick. Boy, what the fuck?
Oh my God. What the fuck?
That's some good seatbelt. Alright, bro. Safety first. Fuck that safety first. Safety first. Well,
Oh my God.
nah, for real. Boy, you can definitely tell the difference.
Bro, you won't hear no rattling or
None of that. It's clean. It's clean and deep. Clean and deep. God.
What the fuck that nigga doing?
Aaron, boy, nah. Get the cab sound for y'all. God.
Bro, this shit really sounds different, bro. Like, if you in this car every day, bro, you'll really notice a difference, bro.
Nah, for real. Like, as soon as you crank it up, you know it's a difference. Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
What you said, this that shit, get the fuck out the way.
Yeah, just that get out the way. It's that move. And it's not like obnoxiously loud.
Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's perfect. Like, this is what I wanted, bro. For real, for real.
Glad you happy with it, man.
Yeah.
Think back up when you doing that time.
I'll just go down to that
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's it.
Fire.
I'm
Oh
telling
God. Oh God, you wasn't playing,
I
but that
told
shit
you.
was loud, bro.
Bro, that's sounding like it was something crazy coming on.
We back. We about to go to car wash. You feel me? Give you a couple pulls. Feel me? Hit y'all up.
Yeah.
back, y'all. I'm about to give y'all a little couple pulls while I'm on the highway. You feel me? Hit y'all back when we on there.
You got to put me in that day, so. Go jail, fresh bird.